Hi, Ben Halverson, Halverson Tree. I just want to say that we are grateful to be nominated for White Bear Press Best Tree Service. Emily and I both are from this community. We have raised our children here. We chose to run our business here for a reason. We just love this town. So thank you for nominating us. Please go out and vote. You can vote every day between now and August 2nd. Again, that's Halverson Tree, Best Tree Service. Thank you.